Morning guys, March 3rd, 2026. Somebody got a call from a lady, her father's elderly and he's got like, people going over there and watching him. And I guess there's been water around the toilet on the floor, and she had noticed that he was picking up the water around the floor, and I guess the aide's calling that there's water around the toilet. She believes that's where it's coming from, and she's afraid he's gonna slip. So something's going on with the toilet's leaking, or maybe the vanity sink. And I know there's a shower there. Could be that they're an issue when they're bathing in them, then they're washing them, and the water's coming out of the shower onto the floor. I'm not sure until I get there. We'll try to, if I figure out what's going on, I'll try to get you some shots. Snow's starting to finally melt around here. It's been a flipping disaster. With all the snow we had, parking wise. Well, I've been turning down a lot of work because, people call me to go into the city and I got no place to park. So, unless I got off-street parking or it's a dead-end street or something, I haven't been really taking the work. But it's starting to really melt quite a bit here, so maybe you can venture on back out and try to do some more work. That's the only drawback of having a big truck. I mean, you need to have a place to park it. Working out of a little van's got its perks. You can't carry a lot of stuff, but it's easy to park, right? Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there.
But I hear you, but you could hear. No, what happened?
She's dripping right there.
I talk to you. You talk and talk. Because if you talk right away, I don't hear you. But it's just for you. But for me, I can hear me right. Yeah. Very well. Yeah. Well, I can hear you well, but it just takes.
Let's see if that hole's shut off.
Right.
Yeah. Is he getting sick? Is he getting ornery not working?
He's getting ornery because it's winter. How'd you know he's getting ornery? He doesn't want to move to Florida, but
yeah, I mean, Florida's the way to go. You look at the you got kids.
No.
You look at the estate tax.
It's crazy.
Did you look into that?
No.
I just looked into it now, and I mean, holy shit.
Massachusetts is we're second to California with the states you can live in.
The estate tax. If your estate's worth so much money,
yeah.
I mean, they really hammer you bad.
I don't want to. I wanted to move out of Massachusetts years ago.
Everybody is saying, well, don't worry about it. Your kid will have to worry about it. It's like, it's really bad. That's why everybody moves to Florida. Because of that estate tax.
Right, in North Carolina and Texas, I'm going to move. And I don't want to live in New Hampshire. It's too cold up there. What the hell with that? I'm tired of it.
Vermont's not good either.
Florida's hot, but hey,
It's one of the better places. That's why everybody goes down there.
It's cheap. You can get a beautiful home for like $300,000 here. You can't even buy it.
I don't know if I might have to cut that fucker to get it out of there. I've been looking into a lot of this shit lately, because
You gonna move?
Well, no, I'm just looking into stuff estate-wise, and
you have a kid?
Yeah, I got a kid, and I was kind of like really shocked on.
Yeah, all your money. It depends. It depends on who's in.
I don't give you much room now. I'll have to cut that fucker to get it out of there. Looks like parking. I can't go.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's all right. Bye.
Yeah, bye. It's fucking tight here. Yeah, there's no flipping parking nowhere, and they didn't even plow. They barely plowed the streets, and Got no place to park. New Bedford, Fall River. I stay the hell out of there. If I got a place to park, it's different, but this fucking thing is really a problem. I'm going to try putting a new supply in there and try it out. I don't know if I can even get this thing in there, to be honest with you. I'm going to try. Might have to, I need to get this in there somehow, if possible. We can get it cut. Maybe. Something like that. Losing my hearing.
He's have the same age with my grandma. My grandma's
Losing my hearing.
96. Same age.
That's not the right bolt. I gotta get the right
You
one.
think he's go 100? 100's a big party.
That's the right
No?
one. What is it?
100. Your dad's go 100, believe. Yeah, but he's very smart. He never forget nothing. Good memory.
He's gonna be 100?
His younger brother, I'll show you a
Huh?
picture.
He's gonna go to 100?
Yes, it's gonna be May 17th. It's gonna be 9/7.
I'd like to get a brass nut instead of this plastic one. This one
You think 9?
sometimes these crack.
One day it look like the same day.
Looks like that one might have a crack in it. We'll see.
Right?
I gotta get the right nut.
This is my dad's
You alright?
youngest brother, he's like 75. And that's his
Gotta get the
dad's
right
younger
nut.
brother.
These look like your dad.
Doesn't he? He's younger than
The
my
same.
dad by a little bit.
Alright, I got a good brass one. Good brass nut for it. That's what we want. That fits on there good. That's what we want. Piped open it for all I can. Like that. You gotta get both of them started. You don't strip anything. Right? You gotta get both of them started good. You don't want to strip nothing. Make sure that's started good. Make sure that top one's tight. This one's good. Took 3 days for them to plow the road? Took 3 days for them to plow the road, huh?
Only because I pestered the hell, I wrote to the director of the Department of Public Works. I put it in writing, I said, you've got 9 elderly people on this street. And if there's an emergency, nobody's getting out, and nobody's getting in.
3 days.
And then
I had to
it
plow
took
my
them 30
flippin'.
seconds to
I
plow.
had to move the shit in my street with my snowblower.
Yeah, everybody's doing that, yeah.
Fucking nuts. Then I'm getting people that call me, they got no heat. It's like, ain't no way I'm gonna find a place to park.
What a disaster.
This is all fucking loose too, these bolts. Everything's flipping loose. Now this is all leaking. What do we got there? Plastic nuts. We might have to put new. Is that plastic? Looking plastic.
Yeah, I used the safety card. I said, if the house burns down, they're responsible. I told them to plow.
plastic. Nothing like cola. God bless it.
You know, I understand they had a lot of roads, but when they keep, like, when they're plowing pavement and this street is full of, has like, you know, 2.5 feet of snow, that's ridiculous. I just,
Yeah, he's 90. Your mother passed, huh?
90, yeah, 90 years old.
All right, let's see what happens with this thing. If this thing, it's gonna outlive both of us. Wow, that thing was really leaking, man.
I couldn't park in the driveway because the guy didn't show up, and then we couldn't park in the street. My husband does, yeah.
You missed the bird?
I think we got less here.
You missed the bird?
No.
He was kind of a screamer, wasn't he?
Oh my God, I don't miss the screaming at all. Poor thing, he's a nice, he's a nice pet, but the noise, nerve-wracking.
Yeah. Oh, it looks okay. Let's see if it leaks when I flush it. Trying not to reinvent the wheel here. We're just trying to get the leak to stop.
Was it leaking from a couple of places?
What?
2 places it was leaking?
Oh, the supply was leaking. But I couldn't put a flexible on there because it was too close straight up, so I had to put an old style one on there with a brass nut.
I see.
Because these plastic nuts that they have on the old ones, they could snap at any time and flood the house.
Oh, Jesus.
So I don't like using those. I had an old brass one in the truck.
Thank you.
I put that one on there.
Plastic is junk.
Well, the problem is you put the plastic on there, it's fine, but they start moving the toilet around and it cracks and you flood your house.
Yeah.
At least with the brass,
That's the last thing I need, Steve.
the brass is not going to break, right?
Excellent.
I don't want any problems. I don't want any problems. Yeah, it looks good now. I don't see it leaking. Make sure it's tight. That thing was a real tight one. Real tight. It's the old style toilet supplies.
Oh, you're leaving at 11.
Alright. That was really an issue. I definitely didn't put this toilet in, someone else did.
Oh, that's been here for years. Years and years and years. It looks like it's wet on this side.
Well, probably, because the flipping thing was leaking all over the place.
Yeah, that's not new.
I didn't,
don't think.
I just, thing was dripping everywhere. It's not limping now. I'm gonna make sure before I leave, but.
Yeah. My poor daddy thought he was peeing all over the floor.
That's what dads do. Ain't it?
I told my husband, sit down. If you're not gonna clean it, sit down.
That's how Obama pees. He sits down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God.
I worry about me and Mom.
All right, that looks good.
Oh, brother. I was
Eggs, yeah, it's
I
on my
give him
list.
eggs every day.
Yeah.
Because egg is very
he's a leaker.
Yeah.